at the VMworld 2012 and we are at the NetApp Partner Pavilion. We are with Steve Delian from Accenture and Nick Wilson from NetApp. So what is the link between the two companies?
Yes, so NetApp and Accenture have a joint partnership called the joint venture, which has produced a private cloud solution for SAP. And this is based on the technology FlexPod, which is proving to be a great sell in the market.
Yeah, we basically spent about 1.5 years on developing this solution together, and it was launched in November last year. And in the meantime, we have already deployed it at a number of customers, two of which I can name, Freeport-McMoRan in the US and Metso in Finland. Those are two customers that are already running on this solution. So.
And what are the new features coming up?
Well, we have, there's big interest in the SAP world at the moment with analytics, real-time analytics, so companies can make huge business decisions based on something that's just happened, and that's really the big area of interest at the moment, on top of the classic SAP stuff that we have today.
And is there anything else?
Well, let's say that analytics is one where indeed, like Nick already indicated, real-time decision making, taking real-time data, combining that with data that is sitting in the back end of your ERP systems, for example, and using that to do real-time decision making is a very important one. It's all about converging database technologies with in-memory technologies, with storage technologies actually. So that's a very important one. Big data is also a very important one. Let's say huge amounts of data coming in from, for example, sentiment analysis coming in from Facebook, Twitter, things like that, to help decide on, for example, where would I best spend my marketing budget? So that could be an example. And the other part actually is very much focused on automation and orchestration. So rather than doing manual installation processes, manual changes, we actually now are in a position where we have a couple of thousand scripts with parameters that actually allow them to be called from orchestration tools like a Cloudpia or a Cisco Intelligent Automation for Cloud, and which can then help actually increase speed, agility, and also ensure quality, because it's not a human being doing it anymore. We define it once and we reuse it basically all the time. So those are two very important focus areas for the joint solution that we have developed.
Okay, so thanks to Steve and Nick, we have learned a little bit more about Accenture and NetApp partnership here at the VMworld.